Hair was never this color. Never.
Yeah, I was thinking that we're going to murder that color today.
Yeah, we may have to. Because look at it. Can you believe it?
It's so dark.
How did it happen? So, I don't know, Chuck. You just gotta fix me.
Just, you want the works?
I just need any brassiness gone. I kind of want a little more blonde, like right in the front.
Okay.
Because that's where the gray just shows the most.
Every change has a reason. Baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside.
You've got quite a few more things going on in here with these cameras.
I sure do. I was gonna say I'm upgrading my game since you were last here.
You've got a serious studio going on. I'm impressed. Look, there's something up there too.
Yes. Are you moving your part line around, or are you staying just on this side?
I'm moving around. Okay. I kind of go back and forth because right now it's got this fancy little doodah that it's doing. And then if I move it this way sometimes, then it flattens out and it looks nice.
Status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. We are close, can you feel it? Something is behind the clouds. We just have to believe it, that we can make the sun come out. Let us lose ourselves in a fairy tale. Who can say what's wrong or right? We're the only ones who can decide. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the whole world at our feet, we could stay or we could leave. There is nothing in between. So baby, we should start living now. 'Cause we only have this life. Wanna laugh and wanna cry. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. Baby, we should start living now. I don't wanna waste my time. So baby, we should start living now. 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 We've had this conversation, and you seem to agree with me. But when there's complications, you withdraw and leave me to be. When there's a problem, you become like a wall. And every time I trip, it's a free fall. Why don't you help me the way I help you? You don't have to save me, just be my parachute. When I'm feeling down, you're just not there, making sure I'm okay. Why don't you help me the way I help you? What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? Is it too late? Is it too late to color feelings that have faded? Complicated. I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to come to ignite love. I need no second chances. I'm tired of romances without love. So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. I need you tonight and I don't wanna wait. I want you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down. As long as the stars in the sky, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes, as long as the stars in your eyes. It's breaking my heart, it's breaking my heart to see you acting like you don't care, like a nightmare. What happened to us? What happened to all the love we always took for granted? Are we stranded? I'm waiting for an answer, waiting for a sparkle to.
Alright guys, we're processing now, and I'm here in the salon today with Miss Ashley.
Hi!
Hi Miss Ashley! Oh my god, we love Miss Ashley!
So where do we go when we can't find our way? I don't wanna be alone. So what do we do when we're lost and depraved? I need you to show me the way. 'Cause I'm a satellite around you tonight. Nothing's gonna bring me down.
my
Yeah?
god, it looks good. It has such a nice body. That's hair. Power hair.
That's power hair.
Power hair.